Hi, Brian. This is Sarah with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a marketing audit to show you how to get traffic to a website and to get to the first page of Google. I'll go over 3 helpful tricks to get you there. Since you currently do not have a website, we're going to go ahead and take a look at Handyman Extraordinaire. They are #1 organically for Handyman in Tulsa. Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the homepage, and they have 564 words on theirs. Another great tip, when you add images to your website, save those names as keywords. This will actually rank you for more keywords. So 2 great ways to get ahead of them is adding keyword-enriched content and having images named as keywords. The next thing we're going to talk about are backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs to track our trust flow, power flow, backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffics. Handyman Extraordinaire is currently sitting at a 25 trust and a 14 power. We like to see our trust and our power in a ratio of 1, so 25 and 25. These numbers are out of 100. They get their trust and their power from these 1.61 thousand backlinks. Now we can actually go in there and take the good backlinks and leave the bad ones behind. Their website currently has 151 keywords on it, which is bringing 68 people to their website every single month. The next thing we're going to talk about are citations. Now, a citation is any time your business name, phone number, or address is listed on another website, such as Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, Yellow Pages, websites like that. You're currently sitting at 5 citations, and these contribute to your Google My Business. Citations aren't hard to get. They're just time consuming. You can find your Google My Business inside the map pack. They're fairly easy to rank and not super difficult to put together. You can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and money, you can give me a call at 405-439-7951. All I will ask for is a little feedback on this video. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.